Hpv Vaccination campaign gi Saruk am Oina state asigi district Singgi Oiba ambulance kuntra go humdoi flag up TOUKHRE nupi oibi singda mapung oina naganba cervical cancer dagi ngak thok pangamnaba India sinba thungna pangthokadaba campaign asi Prime Minister Narendra Modi na Rajasthan gi Ajmer da hogdokhibani campaign asi ki Saruk am Oina ngasi manipur da su state asigi Chief Minister Y Khemchan yauna Minister Khuraizam Loken Jennings gi hospital gi medical superintendent Dr Khumukcham Lokesor health Manipur ki Director Dr. N. Hemant Kumar Amadi Atai Lenga ki officer kaya Saruk Yaduna Purom Patalaiba Jennings Hospital ki auditorium hall da pangthoki Thoramadura Chief Minister Yumnam Khemchana Jennings Hospital ki manung da chatnariba lambi sing yengsin ki baga loinana emergency laukthokuna khudaktagi semjin ba haunaba Public Works Department ki official sing kauduna khanghanki masida natana laibak asigi chahi 13 surabi nupi macha singda 1 dose ki vaccination asi laibak sin bathungna thabum chupna chathagani amadi matung tarakpa matam singdasu haiba vaccine asi kapagi kudong chaba government hospital singda pigani hairi loinana campaign asi Ayushman Arogya Mandirs Primary Health Center Community Health Center Sub District and District Hospital amadi Government Medical College and Hospital singda lemna kapagi kudong chaba pigani hairi